So today we start with Python. What is Python? Python is an object-oriented programming language as like Java. It is also an object-oriented programming language. It is interpreted and it is dynamic in nature. Interpreted means step by step the execution is happen. Line by line the compilation is happen so that if there is any kind of error is present, so it is handle that error. This dynamic and multi-purpose programming language everywhere you can use it. Python is easy to learn, yet it is powerful and versatile scripting language. It is a powerful and versatile means everywhere it is used. The syntax and dynamic typing with interpreted nature make it is ideal for all the scripting language. Interpreted means step by step execution is happened so that it is very much popular language among all the scripting language that is present. Python support the multiple programming pattern including object oriented programming, imperative, functional programming and procedural style. It support multiple programming pattern. Okay, like object oriented programming, imperative, functional programming, procedural programming. So these are the different type of programming it includes. Okay, next is what Python is not intended to work on the special areas such as only in the web programming. It is a multi-purpose because it can be used with the web enterprise 3D CAD application that we're using. Okay, so in a 3D application you can use it for 3D graphics, for CAD programming you can use. You do not need to use any data type to declare the variable because it is dynamic type. So we can write a is equals to 10 to declare an integer value in a variable. Python make the development and debugging very fast because there is no compilation step is included in the Python development, and edit test debug cycle is very fast. Okay, like you can edit the application, you can debug the application. So edit and debug, you can edit the application and debug means compiling the application is very fast than the other programming language. It is easy to use as it is a high level programming language. It is very programmer friendly language. It is very expressive in nature. Python language is more expressive. The sense of expressive is the code is easily understandable by everyone. It is very simple. It is having a less number of code. It is interpreted language that already we discussed. Interpreter means it is execute the program in a step by step basis or one by one basis. It is a cross platform. Cross platform means it is running in the different operating system like Windows, Linux, Unix, Macintosh. So thus Python is a portable language. It is free and open source. You can get this application by typing www.python.org. The source code is also available, and it is a object orientation programming language. So object orientation means if you want to enhance the functionality of an application, you can easily enhance it without rewriting the entire code. Which part is required, you can extend the functionality. It is extensible. It implies that the other languages such as C, C++ can be used.
voice କଟି କଟି କହୁଛି
କଟିକି ଆସୁଛି?
sir
ହଁ, କୁହ।
ସେ କଟି କଟି ଆସୁଛି voice
ଏବେ କଟିକି ଆସୁଛି ନା ଠିକ ଆସିଲା ଏବେ?
ହଁ sir ଏବେ ଠିକ ଆସୁଛି
Okay. It is a object oriented programming language. Object orientation programming language means if you want to extend the functionality of the Python, then there is no need to rewrite the program again and again. There is no rewriting is happen. And extensible, it implies that The other programming language like C, C++ can be used to compile the code. Thus, it can be used further in your Python code. Okay, so this is a extensible language we are using. It contains the large standard library. So Python has a large and broad library. A lot of libraries are present, like you can compare, you can make the application with the data science part. By using a Python programming, you can create a graphic user interface application that already you are performing through the core Java. It is having a swing component, AWT component. So it is providing you the GUI application. It is integrated. It can be easily integrated with the other language like C, C++, and Java. Okay, so it is easily integrated programming language. So Python is developed in the late foundation of 1980 by Guido van Rossum. Guido van Rossum is a mathematician, is working in a university, and in that university, for solving the complex statistical problem, Guido is developed one programming language that is called as the ABC and Modular 3 programming language, through which they want to solve this statistics part. But at that timing, it is not so much popular. It is not giving the correct output. So Guido is thinking for that they have to develop some new and innovative programming language which is
Sir,
helping.
ଏଇଟା କିଛି ବୁଝି ଆସୁନି।
କଣ କହିଲ?
ସେଇଟା କିଛି ବୁଝି ଆସୁନି। So ଯୋଉ previous ରେ ଯୋଉ first ଟା ଯୋଉ first ଦିଟା କିଛି ଗୋଟେ ଥିଲା previous page ର।
ପ୍ରିଭିୟସ୍ ପେଜର କୋଉଟା କହିଲ? ଏଇଟା ତମେ ଅନମ୍ୟୁଟ୍ କର, ମ୍ୟୁଟ୍ କରନି, ଅନମ୍ୟୁଟ୍ କରି କଥା ହୁଅ।
Sorry, sir. ତ ତା ପୂର୍ବଟା।
ହଁ, ଏଇଟା
ହଁ sir, ସେ ଯୋଉ cross platform ଆଉ free and open source।
cross platform means in any operating system it is working. It is working in Windows operating system. It is working in Linux operating system. It is working on Unix machine too. So in every operating system it works. Okay, it have no it has not any kind of problem. Okay, clear. And
Yes, yes sir, सही करो।
free and open source means which is the software is freely available, so there is no need to purchase any kind of license for it. It is freely available. You can get from the internet. You download and you can use it. Okay, clear.
Yes sir, yes sir, yes।
Large and standard library. Python has a large and broad library. It has the GUI. এটা তো আপনি পড়লে তো Guido van Rossum is a mathematician. We're talking about the history of Python. Then he is a mathematician, and for solving the complex mathematical statistics problem, Guido is developing some programming language, like it is a ABC programming language, modular programming language, but it is not giving you the up to the mark result to solve the problem. So that the Guido is thinking for that is want to develop some program which is solving for the analysis, data analysis, and for the statistics part. So he developed that language and gave its name as Python. Python name has come from it is a director name, Monty Python. Monty Python in Netherlands. So he is just directing a popular comedy show. So that show is very what Guido is very what weakness on that show and like that show. So by inspiring from the Monty Python, he is giving that programming language as a Python programming language. Okay, so it is from a comedy show director name. The name has given, that is called as the Guido van Rossum. And
Yes,
previously,
sir.
the Python programming language predecessor language is ABC. ABC programming language is said to the predecessor of Python language, which is capable of exception handling and interfacing with the Amoeba operating system. Python is influenced by the programming language like ABC and Modula 3. So these are the different versions of Python. Python 1.0, it is has launched in the January 1994, 1.5 in December 31, 1997, 1.6, then 2.1, 2.3. Okay, so lastly now we are using 3.8 version of Python. Python contains the different application like console based application, audio and video based application, 3D and CAD application. Python is used. Console based application means which is working through the command prompt. If you open the command prompt, it is working through the command prompt. Okay, it is a command prompt application where you can run your application through the command line argument. It is also support the graphic user interface application, and it also you can design the audio and video application by using a Python. And it is contain the 3D and CAD application. You can make the application through this Python. You can use in the web application as a scripting, like some of the application that we have the example, YouTube, Mozilla Firefox, in Netflix. It is used that in the web application. It is acting as a for a data analysis part. In enterprise application, which is used in a corporate sector or big organization like Open ERP, in the ERP sector it is working, in Triton it is working, and it is also used for processing the images, graphic images, for the data analysis part, like for using the statistics part, up and down of the data. You can use it. There is an application for images, we can use it. Then for installing the Python application, I have given that you have to install by using of www.anaconda.com. So from that location you can download it, and then you have to run the application. That will just taking some time. I'll open it. The Anaconda Navigator.
Okay.
just wait, take the timing to open. Very load of time here. Data analysis part ଅଛି. Once it is open, then it is working perfectly.
Yes, yes.
Okay, this is the window. You can run this application through the Jupyter, or there is a Spider. There is a two environment is used to work with it. Then in Jupyter, first you click here, launch application.
But କିଛି କହୁଛନ୍ତି କି କିଛି audible ହଉନି।
ନାଇଁ ନାଇଁ ମୁଁ କିଛି କହିନି ଏଟା ଓପନ ହଉଛି ଦେଖ so after you click on it, this kind of window has opened. Then you just copy this URL. This URL you have to copy.
ସେମାନେ ଏଇଟା ମାନେ କୋଉଟାକୁ କଲା ପରେ ଆସିଲା?
Jupyter ରେ କ୍ଲିକ୍ କରିବ, କ୍ଲିକ୍ କଲା ପରେ ଏଇ ୱିଣ୍ଡୋଟା ଆସିବ। ଏଇ ୱିଣ୍ଡୋ ଆସିଲା ପରେ ତମେ ଏଇ ଯାଏଁ କପି କରିବ।
ଆନାକୋଣ୍ଡାଟା ଆପଣ କହିଥିଲେ ନା କରିବାକୁ ଇନଷ୍ଟଲ?
ହଁ, ଆନାକୋଣ୍ଡାଟା ଇନଷ୍ଟଲ କରିବ। ଇନଷ୍ଟଲ କଲା ପରେ it contain this part. There is a different tools are coming. These are the different tools we are using for writing.
ଆପଣ ଯୋଉ ଜୁପିଟର କହିଲେ ତ ଏଥିପାଇଁ
ନାଇଁ, ଏଟା ଆନାକୋଣ୍ଡା ଭିତରେ ହିଁ ସବୁ ଆସିବ। ଜୁପିଟର ଆସିବ, ସ୍ପାଇଡର ଆସିବ। ଓକେ।
ଆଚ୍ଛା ଆନାକୋଣ୍ଡା ଭିତରେ ଜୁପିଟରଟାକୁ ଖୋଲିକି ସେଟା କରାହବ।
ହଁ, ଜୁପିଟରଟା ଖୋଲିଲେ ଏଇ ଟାଇପର ଆସିବ ଏନଭାୟରନମେଣ୍ଟ। ତ ଆମେ ସେଟା କ୍ଲିକ୍ କରିବା, ସେ ଯୋଉ ପାଥଟା କପି କରିବା। କପି କଲା ପରେ then you have to type here. You have to type this part. ଏଇ ପାର୍ଟଟା ପେଷ୍ଟ କରିଦବ URL ଟା। Okay. URL pass kore, another window has opened. Okay, so this window has opened. Then you write here new. Okay. So now I hello. हेलो।
ହଁ sir
हम्म,
ତ ମୁଁ କହିଲି ଯେ କୋଉ ଆନାକୋଣ୍ଡା ଭିତରେ ସେ ଜୁପିଟର ଟା କରିକି ସେଥିରେ ତାପରେ ରନ୍ କରିବା।
हाँ हाँ जुपिटर ओपन करिवो से जो पाथ टा अछि से पाथ टा एठी कॉपी करी पेस्ट करिवो देन यू राइट योर प्रोग्राम एठी हमें प्रोग्राम लिखिबा ओके सो
ସେ କୋଉଟା କପି କରି ପେଷ୍ଟ କରାହବ?
कहूची रू ये जो फाइल टा ओपन होबा टेक्स्ट पैड जोटा ओपन हेतिबो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यू हैव टू इंस्टॉल टेक्स्ट पैड ओके तापर एटा इंस्टॉल करिवो एई पाथ टा कॉपी करिवो http अप टू ट्री जाए ओके एई कॉपी करिवो एटा कॉपी
ସେ
करी
କିଛି visible ହଉନି।
हां
Possible।
आसिला हेलो
ନାଇଁ ସେ ଜୁପିଟର ଟା ହିଁ ଆସିଛି ଆପଣ କୋଉଟା କହିଲେ କପି ପେଷ୍ଟ ସେଇଟା କିଛି ଆସୁନି। ସେ ଯୋଉ ଟେକ୍ସଟ ପ୍ୟାଡ ଟା କିଛି ଆସିଲାନି ସାର୍ ସେ ସେଇ ଜୁପିଟର ହିଁ ଅଛି।
हाँ एबे टेक्स्ट पैड आसिला
ନା ସାର୍ ହଁ ଏବେ ଆସିଲା।
दिस पार्ट
ସେଇଟା କୋଉଠୁ ଡାଉନଲୋଡ ହବ ଯୋଉ ସେଇଟା ତ
सेटा अनाकोंडा एटा सेमती टेक्स्ट पैड गोटे डाउनलोड फोल्डर अछि टेक्स्ट पैड रो तमे डाउनलोड करियो हला
ମାନେ ସେ ଆନାକୋଣ୍ଡା ଭିତରେ ହିଁ
ନାଇଁ ନାଇଁ टेक्स्ट पैड टा अलगा डाउनलोड करियो अनाकोंडा अलगा डाउनलोड हबो टेक्स्ट पैड टा अलगा डाउनलोड हबो टेक्स्ट पैड 8
ଆଚ୍ଛା ଆଚ୍ଛା ଯେ ତା ଭିତରେ କଣ କଣ୍ଟେंଟ ଟା ଥିବ ନା ମତେ ଲେଖିବାକୁ ପଡିବ?
ନାଇଁ ନାଇଁ ये ऑटोमेटिक आसी जीवो तमे तले जुपिटर ऊपर क्लिक करिवो ए कंटेंट टा ऑटोमेटिक आसी जीवो तो एई पाथ टा तमे कॉपी करिकी
ଆଚ୍ଛା ଆଚ୍ଛा
पेस्ट कर दबो है ना यदि पेस्ट
ये-
कर एबडा विंडो आसीबो ता देर तमे लिखिबो न्यू ओके तो एटा जो एबडा स्क्रीन आसीबो ए स्क्रीन आसला पर हमें न्यू ऊपर क्लिक करिवो न्यू ऊपर क्लिक कले ए विंडो टा आसीबो बुझला
ଅ, ସେ କିଛି ଆସୁନି।
तमरो नेट बहुत स्लो अछि किसी स्क्रीन देखा जाउनी
ହଁ ସେ ମାନେ ସେ ଜୁପିଟର ଯୋଉ ଇନ୍ ଲେଖା ହେଇଛି ଆଉ ସେ ଯୋଉ ସେଇଟା ବ୍ଲିଙ୍କ୍
हाँ
କରୁଛି ବାସ୍ ସେତିକି ଦେଖାଉଛି ଆଉ କିଛି ଦେଖାଯାଉନି। ନ୍ୟୁ ଯୋଉ କହିଲେ ସେଗୁଡା କିଛି ଦେଖାଗଲାନି ମାନେ କିଛି କୋଉଠି କଣ କିଛି କହିଲେ ମାନେ ଦେଖାଗଲାନି।
एटाला स्क्रीन एटा तमे तला ओपन करिवो यूआरएल टा प्रथमे ए स्क्रीन टा ओपन हबो बुझी होची बुझी हला
यस
तापर हमें एटा न्यू रे क्लिक करिवो हला
यस
न्यू पर हमें पाइथन ऊपर क्लिक करिवो
हाँ
बुझी
सर
पाइथन क्लिक कले एवडा विंडो टा आसीबो बुझी हला
यस यस सर
तापर मु एठी लिखिबी प्रोग्राम एठी मु प्रोग्राम लिखुची ए हेलो वर्ल्ड then run file hello world then run okay
यस सर
just a minute Okay, so now it has come. Now run the file. By run coaching. Okay. So when you click, you show the output.
जो
Sorry,
बाकी दिटा रो जोटा सेटा माने हेलो वर्ड लिखला
the blank asila. So I am not writing the print statement. Okay. So maybe print statement लिखुची. What time indeed mistake is.
जे हेलो वर्ड लिखला परे से दिटा जो ब्लैंक स्पेस टा आसी गला ना रन टा चिपला परे ब्लैंक स्पेस आसला तापर पुनी आउथरे रन क्लिक
रन टा
कला
चिपिला ପରେ blank screen ଟା ଆସିଲା. Okay. And you write print okay. So when you print the run file, it is showing you hello world. Okay. मैं खाली क्लिक कले मते देखियो.
से रन ऊपर
कौन
से
बोले?
रन ऊपर क्लिक करले देखि देबो त
हाँ.
मु
फाइल
कहले आपण सेटा कहले त रन ऊपर क्लिक करले देखिबो
रन ऊपर क्लिक कले एटा हेलो वर्ल्ड देखियो. आमे एटा लिखियो ए हेलो वर्ल्ड देन प्रिंट स्टेटमेंट यूज करले हमको हेलो वर्ल्ड देखियो. बुझिला?
ना सर मु सेटा कहलिनी से मु कहले जे प्रिंट एटा लिखला परे पुनी आउथरे रन करले से तळ जो ब्लैक वाला हेलो वर्ड टा आसीबो त सेटा कहली
हाँ प्रिंट स्टेटमेंट लिखिले ही लिखला ପରେ रन
हेलो
प्रिंट स्टेटमेंट लिखिकी रन कले तमर देखियो. बुझी होची जिन तमे system.out.println यूज करूछ सेमथी तमरा यूज करिवो एटा.
यस
Then Python variable. Variable is the name of memory location where some data is stored. Once the variable is stored, means the space is allocated for the memory. So if you write x equals to y equals to z equals to 50, it is printing you print x, print y, print z. That is printing you x value is 50, y value is 50, z value is 50. Okay, that is showing you all the values. Like if I write here x equals to y equals to z equals to 50, then if I write here print x, then print y, then print z. I run the file. Okay, then it is showing you 50, 50 and 50. Clear? बुझेरा?
यस सर से जो x से जो लिखले जो से x इक्वल सेटा माने किछि में रैंडम लिखितले आस जीवो
It is a variable name. You can give any name. Variable is what? It is a memory location to store a value in a program. So it is a variable name.
यस सर
Then if you write here x comma y comma z equals to 5 comma 6 comma 7. Okay, then it means what? print x, it is printing you 5, print y, printing you 6, print z, it is printing you 7. Okay, print x, it is printing you 5, print y, it is printing you 6, print z, it is printing you 7. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So z equals to 5 means it is not initialized in the z5. That means what? X value is 5, y value is 6, z value is 7. Then Python data types. So what are the data types we are using? One is number, string, list, and tuples. These are the data types we are using. Numbers, string, list, and tuple. The Python number data type store the numeric value. Numbers object are created when you assign a value to them. Like var equals to 10, var2 equals to 20. Okay, so we are assigning the value, number value. If you store the numeric value, then it is considered as a number. Like Python support the three numeric data types. One is your int, float, then complex. Complex means it is a mixing of your combination of your letters and number. It is a complex data type we are using. Now, what is Python string? String are identify the contiguous set of character or combination of character is called as the string. So as you know that string is represented in the single quotation or double quotation. So you can write the string in a single quotation, and if you want to get the character, if you write print string 0, 0 means past location, it is printing UH. If you pressing 2 is to 5, 2 is to 5 means 0, 1, 2, and 5 is the length 0, 1, 2, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it is showing you L, L, O. Okay, so first is representing the index position which is starting from 0. Second is representing the length which is counting from 1. That means if you write 2 is to 5, H is 0, E is 1, L is 2. So it is starting from L and up to which extends the length is 5. Length is 5 means this by printing you 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 means L, L, O it is printing you. If you write 2 is to 2 is to means after 2 it is printing you all the elements. So 0, 1, 2. So from this position to last it is printing you all the elements. If you write string into 2 time, it is showing you hello world and hello world 2 time. If you write string dot test, that is joining the two string hello world plus test. Okay, that is saying you hello world test. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so you pass here str hello world, then print str. If you print str, it's printing you hello world. Then if I pass here Here you can pass print two is to 5. Sorry, print string. It is printing you LLO. If you write print 2 colon string 2 colon, it is printing you here LLO word total. If you write here print string into 2 times, so it is printing you hello world 2 times. Then if you type here print string plus test, it is printing you hello world test. Okay, clear?
Listen.
Okay, so in the next class we go another programming language, another part, list and tuples. Okay,
Listen. So ଆଜିର ଟିକେ ରେକର୍ଡିଂ ପଠେଇଦେବେ।
हाँ पठेइदेବି।
Thank you, sir.